Hello everyone, please check out the stunning Porsche 992 GT3 that we have just completed. This has been treated to our paint enhancement detail and top level GYEON Infinite Ceramic Coating. The owner loves to use this car on track days up and down the UK. However, he loves his cars to look their very best and be incredibly easy to maintain, which is why this car is with us. Paintwork has been fully polished to remove any marks, such as holograms, swirl marks, leaving a really deep glossy shine, as you can see. And of course, with the ceramic coating, which has been applied to not only the paintwork but the wheels, trim and the glass, this car will now be incredibly easy to clean after every use. If you would like your own car to look this good and also be properly protected, then please get in touch.